Hi everyone, Sylwia here, and this is my stock polls review. So here I come with this product, and I think it's quite useful for a few reasons. Like, first of all, it's a collection of high quality videos, royalty free at that, so no copyright issues, so copyrights free. So all of those videos, pictures, and much more, but I'll show you in a second. We'll be going through the the sales page later on, and you will see what you will find there. So all of those videos, pictures are again royalty free. You can use them for your projects and also your clients' projects because it comes with the commercial license. So, videos is definitely the future, and these will be not any videos and not some like crap quality videos, but HD quality. So again, you can use them for various projects, and you will have a collection of thousands of such videos and images. Alright guys, let's go through the sales page, and so you will have a more than a rough idea what you're getting here. So video is the future, as they say. Grab this premium royalty free 2000 HD plus 4K stock videos, images, vectors, collection. So this is like a collection, right? Find the perfect footage or image for your next video. Great for green screen videos, VSLs, B-roll footage, and more. So obviously videos are engaging, simple, and a comprehensive, kind of like emotional, popular, and very powerful way to convert your visitors into buyers, pretty much, as they say, like fire. They definitely invoke those emotions. So with this one-time payment, you can stop paying monthly subscriptions for each individual element you need on other stock platforms. Correct. Okay, as I am scrolling through the sales page, guys, there's much more information you can check out in your own time. Just go via the link below my video if you wish to purchase this product. You think you will benefit from it, and obviously you like my review, feel free to grab it from me. Okay, and so that's very important, HD, so you will look sharp inside your project. It's high quality, obviously, and it is compatible with everything, because all of these videos are MP4 video format, which is again compatible with pretty much every video editor and online video platform like YouTube. So no matter where you want to use these videos, you will be able to add them to your projects without a problem. Okay, again, commercial and developer license included, so you can use these videos on your own commercial projects and projects you create for your clients. That is quite good. So here's the product, stock polls, again a collection of various videos, royalty free, high quality with commercial license. Alright, okay, you just click here if you want to buy it to get instant access, 30 days money back guarantee, the link below my video if you wish to purchase it from me once again. So they say everyone needs high quality attention grabbing images, videos, and resources for the personal and business projects. Okay, so inclusive sneak peek at what is waiting for you inside. So that's what you're getting, guys. 4K UHD stock videos library, HD stock image library, graphics pack. Okay, that's nice. Okay, some graphics as well, the images obviously. Okay, and that's where you can kind of like use those videos. They're royalty free, once again, remember that, so you will have no problems with copyrights. You would be surprised how often that comes up, and how often you can, like, if you on YouTube you can just get those, strikes, YouTube strikes, just like that, seriously. So it's really a pain in the neck. So it's very good for social media marketers, creators, e-commerce marketers, video makers and creators, affiliate marketers, like myself, bloggers, local marketers, website creators, freelancers, projects and presentations. Yeah, of course. Okay, here's some bonuses you also get on top of just the front end, guys. So the first one is a free online workshop. Then the second one is all-in-one course creation, delivery, marketing platform. So it seems like there are 2 bonuses, some testimonials. Alright, okie dokie. So this is what it is, guys. Not much to talk about. It's a collection of, again, royalty-free HD quality videos and images that you can use for various projects. You can use them for your clients, sky's the limit. Whatever you want to do with it, you can. You will have no strikes, as I said, commercial license. What did I say? The the copyright strikes, right? Yeah. All right, let's see how much that's gonna cost you. So let's check out the funnel. Okay, here's the funnel, guys. So the stock polls front end $12. Then they will have a few upsells. Upsell number 1 $37. Stock polls vector pack, stock polls reseller. This is the one I always like. It is a bit pricey, $197. But then again, you can use it for, you can sell it as your own product and keep 100% commission across the whole funnel, and there's a bit of money to be made. And then number 4 is for $67, a super bundle SP, not sure what that means there, and then 2 more upsells, guys. Right, let's check out the now freebies I give you. Regardless of whether you're gonna buy it from me or not, okay, regardless, okay. Now I will be brutally honest, guys, I do not spend time talking about bonuses on my channel. I started kind of like that, but then I had a turn. I completely changed my mind 180, and I stick to it because I like to keep things simple and honest, raw and real, So I created this video on bonuses. It's my perspective on how I see it, and I very often see it as a brainwash, as a way of bribing client. There's nothing wrong if you offer your buyers some free products. Nothing wrong with that. As long as you as a viewer, as a buyer, don't make this purchase decision based on bonuses. Because why are you here checking out the review on this particular product? Because you want to find out whether this specific product is good, not the bonuses. Because guys, you may get £1,000 or dollars worth bonuses, and many of them, but if you don't know how to put them together, you will be confused.com. Okay, that's why my perspective and my advice to you is stick to the product you're reviewing. Make sure you find a good, honest review and you like the product. The bonuses is something there is out there in abundance, and that's why I created this a video on bonuses, and I put a link to that video under the one I'm making now, right, about stock polls. And if you go under that video, in the description box under this video about bonuses, you will find a link that gives you access to thousands of bonuses in any niche, any category you can possibly think of, and just do your homework, kind of find what you want. And this is me, and yeah, I like to keep things simple. I'm such a minimalist, and I don't want to complicate life, because I believe that simplicity is the key to success and kind of the way to go. So if you like this product, guys, and if you want to buy it from me because you like my review, simple as that, then you're free to buy it from me via the link which I put below my video. Alright, with that said, been talking a lot. With that said, I shall, how do they say it? Love you and leave you, right? Give me some love as always. You know those likes, they're free. Subscribe to my channel, that's also free. If you like my content, if you don't, that's cool. I understand, fair enough. And yeah, see you in my next review. I post them daily, sometimes quite a few. I mean, like a few reviews a day, so I'm on fire. I'm a lady on fire, and I love it. Okay, take care. Have a beautiful day. Bye.